12 awesome car gadgets you'll want to have. Get ready to upgrade your ride with these 12 awesome car gadgets that add convenience, safety, and a bit of fun to your driving experience. From smart navigation tools and wireless charging mounts to dash cams with night vision and tire pressure monitoring systems, these gadgets are designed to make every journey smoother. Whether you're looking for enhanced entertainment on the road or extra peace of mind with safety features, these gadgets combine modern tech with everyday practicality to make driving a breeze. Innovart CarWink. The Innovart CarWink is a fun and practical way to communicate with other drivers on the road, especially during hectic traffic or in difficult weather. This interactive device attaches to your rear window, displaying digital messages that you can control from inside the car. Whether you want to thank someone for letting you merge or warn drivers behind you of an upcoming stop, CarWink has it covered with easy-to-understand icons and phrases. It's controlled hands-free through voice commands, keeping your focus on the road while helping you interact with other drivers safely. Imagine being able to express gratitude, apologize, or signal caution, all without the need for hand gestures or horn honking. The CarWink turns road communication into a seamless experience, adding a layer of kindness and courtesy to your drive. Ring Car Cam. The Ring Car Cam is like having a security system for your car, offering peace of mind both on the road and while parked. Equipped with dual-facing HD cameras, it records both the interior and exterior, capturing every detail in clear resolution. The Car Cam offers real-time alerts and video footage directly to your smartphone, making it easy to check in on your vehicle at any time. It's perfect for keeping an eye on parked cars or recording incidents while driving. Imagine the reassurance of knowing that your car is protected, even when you're not around. With features like motion detection and emergency crash assistance, the Ring Car Cam provides invaluable support in stressful situations, keeping you informed and helping to safeguard your vehicle. Basis Sharp Tool Series Emergency Hammer Pro. The Basis Sharp Tool Series Emergency Hammer Pro is a crucial tool to have in any vehicle. This gadget is designed for emergencies, providing a way to shatter windows or cut seatbelts if you find yourself trapped inside your car. Compact yet powerful, the hammer is crafted with durable materials that can handle extreme force, making it reliable in dire situations. Its design is sleek and small, allowing it to fit comfortably within arm's reach. In emergency scenarios where every second counts, the Emergency Hammer Pro ensures you're prepared. This tool is essential not only for peace of mind, but also for ensuring the safety of you and your passengers. Disc Lock Steering Wheel Lock. The Disc Lock Steering Wheel Lock is one of the most effective anti-theft devices available, serving as a visible and robust deterrent to potential car thieves. Made from high-quality, durable materials, the disc lock covers your entire steering wheel, making it nearly impossible to turn or tamper with. Unlike traditional locks, this device is extremely hard to break, providing peace of mind for those who leave their cars parked in high-risk areas. Imagine the reassurance of knowing that your vehicle has an extra layer of protection against theft. The Disc Lock Steering Wheel Lock is a simple yet powerful solution for keeping your car secure, offering peace of mind every time you leave it parked. It's easy to install and adds a strong line of defense, making it a top choice for vehicle security. Goat Boxco Basecamp Cooler. The Goat Boxco Basecamp Cooler is perfect for those who love road trips or weekend getaways. This durable, high-capacity cooler is designed to keep your food and drinks cold for days, making it a must-have for extended trips. Built tough to withstand rough handling, the cooler includes multiple compartments and is designed for easy portability. It's a great companion for camping, beach outings, or even long drives where you want to keep refreshments close by. Imagine pulling over at a scenic spot and having cold drinks and snacks ready to go. The Basecamp Cooler not only keeps things cold, but also adds a touch of luxury to any road adventure, allowing you to enjoy a cold refreshment no matter where you are. Waterport Weekender Water Tank. The Waterport Weekender Water Tank is an outdoor lover's dream, designed to provide a convenient and portable source of water wherever you are. This 3.8-gallon tank can be pressurized to give you running water for cleaning gear, washing your hands, or even giving your car a quick rinse. With a simple pump, you can have pressurized water on the go, making it ideal for camping trips, long drives, or off-road adventures. Imagine never having to worry about running out of water on a camping trip or being able to easily rinse off mud and sand after an off-road trek. The water tank is incredibly versatile, ensuring you have fresh water at your fingertips. Go Pump 5-in-1 Portable Air Pump. The Go Pump 5-in-1 portable air pump is an all-in-one solution for inflating tires, sports equipment, and more. This powerful, compact device can inflate a car tire in minutes, making it an essential gadget for emergencies and routine maintenance. Equipped with multiple nozzle attachments, it's versatile enough for bikes, balls, and even pool inflatables. With an easy-to-read digital display, you can monitor the air pressure to ensure precision every time. 7-Tour ST800 Car Subwoofer. The 7-Tour ST800 car subwoofer is a game-changer for anyone who appreciates high-quality sound while driving. This powerful subwoofer is designed to deliver deep, rich bass, transforming your car's audio system into a concert-like experience. Easy to install, the ST800 enhances your music's depth and clarity, letting you feel every beat and note with stunning precision. Imagine cruising down the highway with your favorite music blasting in high-definition sound. The ST800 takes audio quality to the next level, allowing you to enjoy a premium listening experience on every drive. Canopy Pickup Cam. The Canopy Pickup Cam is designed specifically for pickup trucks, providing a comprehensive view of your truck bed and surroundings. This camera system is incredibly useful for backing up, parking, or simply keeping an eye on valuable cargo. It offers clear, wide-angle footage, helping you navigate tight spaces and prevent potential accidents. Ideal for both work and recreational purposes, this gadget makes managing your truck a breeze. Imagine having complete visibility of your truck bed while reversing or parking in challenging spots. Spytek GL300 Mini GPS Tracker. The Spytek GL300 Mini GPS Tracker is a compact and powerful device that helps you keep track of your vehicle's location. This GPS tracker provides real-time updates, allowing you to monitor your car from anywhere. It's perfect for keeping tabs on your vehicle in case of theft or simply for tracking family members who may be using the car. Small and discreet, the GL300 can be easily placed in any vehicle. Imagine always knowing exactly where your car is, with location updates right at your fingertips. Basis Car Temporary Parking Card. The Basis Car Temporary Parking Card is a clever and discreet solution for leaving contact information when you need to temporarily park your car. This sleek card displays your phone number, making it easy for anyone to reach you if they need your car moved. With a simple twist, the number can be hidden when not in use, maintaining a clean look in your vehicle. It's a handy tool for crowded parking areas or street-side parking. Imagine the convenience of being reachable in a crowded area without needing to leave a handwritten note. Venter Car Cup Warmer. The Venter Car Cup Warmer is perfect for anyone who enjoys hot beverages on the go. This compact device keeps your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate at the ideal temperature, letting you enjoy a warm drink during your entire commute. Simply plug it into your car's power source, and it'll keep your drink warm and ready to sip, adding a touch of comfort to every journey. Imagine driving on a chilly morning with your coffee staying warm until you reach your destination. The Car Cup Warmer is a small luxury that makes a big difference, enhancing your daily drive with a cozy, warm drink. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.